I want you to make money. I'd like to give you more money than you ever give me.
I would have paid $20,000 to be here.
Grant Cardone Sales Boot Camp. We've just gotten 3 days straight, one with Grant Cardone. I know a lot of people pay $15,000 to sit down with him for 45 minutes. We just got 3 days straight of asking straight questions of Grant Cardone. It's just completely revolutionized our business. I was just talking to my team about how the last 15 minutes was worth all the time that we spent here the last 3 days.
Grant Cardone is the #1 sales trainer in the world. If you want to get your sales and communication skills razor sharp, this is where you need to be.
It's important for you, it's important for your company, your products, your services. It's important for America.
I'd like you guys to give a warm 10X welcome for my man, Mr. Grant Cardone.
You being here reminds me not to quit.
Grant's here all 3 days. He's answering questions. He's role-playing right off the stage. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. I had a great time.
I'm ready to go home and do more work. It's time to get off my laurels. It's time to crank it up.
I couldn't be more blessed to be here. I've learned so much. The value of this sales boot camp cannot be priced. What you learn here, you will never learn in college.
You guys got to get control of this. You don't control this, somebody else controls it. Yes, sir.
Go back and shine. Outproduce everybody who wasn't here, and your boss cannot ignore you.
If you're looking for an experience that'll change your business, change your life, first step is the Grant Cardone Sales Boot Camp.
I want to offer you a free training with Danny.
Our sales have increased 226%. We've gone from a $23 million a year operation to we're going to exceed $50 million just in sales.
Frequency is the way to greatness.
The training here in itself is worth it, but the networking is 10X in it beyond belief.
If you don't believe in yourself and if you don't believe you can learn something, the game's over.